So I'm going to show you this here. This is, I actually put this tile on. I'll probably end up using a tile. There's all this tile I have. I'm going to probably using it for the bees. But let me take this off. I'm trying to keep the water out of here. As you can see, this is actually the other side. So I bought some coal. I'm going to fire up the coal. I'm going to try to douse the side here. And my hope is I'm going to be able to burn this through. Oh, let me move this. Right. Here's the other side. I've been a busy little beaver, haven't I? So the whole idea is this is pretty damn heavy, and this is some hard wood. So set it up here. Actually, there's a little more awning here. Yes. All right. This actually has a nice shape to it, right? Look at this. It's kind of twisted. Get the mold on it. Trying to keep all this on it, and I'm going to put hot coals. Hopefully I can burn it down, because I'm tired of chiseling. This is about 10 hours worth of work. This is about 5 hours here, 5 hours on the other side. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, maybe 4 hours on each. So that's it. I want to build a natural kind of habitat for the bees, the Japanese bees, when I get them. And this will probably, it's soft here. I may use this as a hole in here. Some rock, but it still has its bark on it. I'd like to know what tree this is, because it's pretty hardcore. This is, and you know, this wood just is not soft. All right, so let's put these tiles back on. All right, keep the water out. Try to. All right. And it's kind of cool. What do you think?